Ciao, I'm Chiara from Perfiloesegno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this super easy summer scarf. This summer scarf is a light and lacy crochet partner that is perfect for the warmer weather. I really love this yarn. Look how many colors. It's amazing. This yarn is Scacco Matto from Mondial. You can find all the links that you need in the description box. And you will need a 5.5 millimeters hook. Okay, now I'm going to show you this beautiful and very easy lace stitch, and I prefer to use this cotton yarn to show this partner stitch more clearly. So now we must have a number of stitch, a multiple of 6 plus 1. So first chain 31. Okay, now we do one single crochet into the 10th chain from hook. So now chain 3, then we skip the next 2 chains, then we do one treble double crochet into the 3rd. So first a yarn over hook twice, then insert the hook into the stitch. So yarn over and draw through 2 loops. Yarn over and draw through 2 loops, then yarn over and draw through the last 2 loops. This is the first treble double crochet. So now chain 3, then we skip the next 2 chains, then we do one single crochet into the 3rd. And now we're going to repeat this sequence. So first chain 3, skip 2 chains, then we do one treble double crochet into the 3rd. Chain 3, skip the next 2 chains, then we do one single crochet into the 3rd. Chain 3, skip 2, then we do one treble double crochet into the 3rd chain. Chain 3, skip 2, then do one single crochet into the 3rd chain. So now chain 3 once again, skip the next 2 chains, then we do one treble double crochet into the last chain to complete the first row of the partner. This is the first row. And now we are going to do the second row of the partner. So first chain 1, do not count as a stitch, then turn the work, then we do one single crochet into this first stitch here. So now chain 2, then we do one double treble crochet into the single crochet of the previous row. So now chain 2, then we do one single crochet into the treble double crochet of the previous row. Chain 2, then we do one treble double crochet into the next stitch, the single crochet of the previous row. Chain 2 once again, then we do one single crochet into the next stitch. The next stitch is the treble double crochet of the previous row, and continue to do this until the end of this row. chain 2, and now pay attention, skip the next 3 chains, insert your hook into the 4th, then do a single crochet. So all we have to do now is to repeat this set of 2 rows, so let's repeat together. So to start row 1, first chain 4, and this counts as your first treble double crochet, then chain 3, then we do 1 single crochet in the treble double crochet of the previous row, then chain 3, and now we do 1 treble double crochet into the next stitch. The next stitch is the single crochet of the previous row, chain 3, then we do 1 single crochet into the next stitch here, and continue to repeat this sequence until the end of this row. So now we do 1 treble double crochet into the last stitch, and this is row 1. So now let's repeat together row 2. So first chain 1 do not count as a stitch, turn the work, then we do 1 single crochet into the first stitch here, then chain 2, then we do 1 treble double crochet into the single crochet of the previous row, chain 2, then we do 1 single crochet into the treble double crochet of the previous row, chain 2, then we do 1 treble double crochet into the next stitch, and continue to repeat this sequence until the end of this row. Chain 2, then skip the next 3 chains, insert your hook into the 4th, then do 1 single crochet to complete row 2. So all we have to do now is to repeat this set of 2 rows until we will have a total of 90 rows, or until we will reach the length about 140 centimeters. Okay, now my scarf is about 50 centimeters wide and 140 centimeters long. I start my project with 31 chains, remember the multiple of 6 plus 1, and I work at my partner for a total of 90 rows. As you can see, it's very easy to create this beautiful summer scarf, and I want to show you this beautiful lace partner. I really love this beautiful yarn and many colors, and I find it's very summery. And you can find Scacco Matto in 8 beautiful shades of colors, and I suggest you open the info box below this video and you can find another project with this beautiful yarn, the Summer Top Scacco Matto. And I think the scarves aren't just for winter. There are so many light and lazy scarf design that are perfect for any springtime or even the summer. And this is a great project for spring and summer season. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. Remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you create your Scacco Matto summer scarf. I will leave all the links that you need in the description box. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notifications. So thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love.